Hey guys, Sandra here with another video, and today I'm going to talk about the Power Lead System compensation plan upgrade, because there has been some changes to the compensation plan, and one of the changes is there is no more pass-ups. You do not have to pass up any of your potential affiliates to anyone else. They all go to you. So as a PLS customer, you pay $30 a month, okay? But with the $30 a month, you can sell the product. I mean, you can use the products, but you would not be able to make a commission from it. So it's best to become a PLS customer and an affiliate gold member, which is only $53.97 a month. And with that $53.97 a month, you will receive $20 monthly payments from everyone that signs up under you. So this is you and Mark, Mary, and Sue Joe. They all signed up under you, and you will receive the $20 a month from each of them because you're a gold member. Now, say Joe, he decides to grow his pay line to $1,000 a month. Now you got a 50% match bonus, and you get $500 a month every month because of Joe. Now, refer 3 customers, and your gold membership is free. So you've already got 4 from the example. So your membership is free because it comes from your commissions, and you do not have to pay out of pocket anymore. So now, the first product is the free ad secrets. It's $147, and you get $100 commissions from the person who purchased from you, and unlimited $25 overrides from your downline. And the next one is Social Profit Academy. This is $497, and you get $400 commissions, unlimited $50 overrides. And with the Master Traffic Institute, $1,497, $1,000 commissions for each person that purchases from you, plus unlimited $200 overrides from your downline. Now, I have a video here I'm going to have you listen to, and then I'll be right back.
You'll make this same incredible 50% match on the entire pay line of every referral that you ever make. And that's powerful. Now, don't worry. If you don't quite understand how all this works, our powerful software does. It doesn't make any mistakes. In fact, it'll track all of your commissions for you with 100% accuracy. The last thing, but certainly not the least, is commissions are paid instantly every Wednesday all over the world.
Sorry about that. It started from the middle. I'm going to start it from the beginning.
You can use your computer. The examples in this video are for illustration purposes only. The Power Lead system does not guarantee that you will make any money from your use or promotion of our products and services. Your success depends on your own work ethic and other factors that may or may not be mentioned in this video. Hey, it's Jeff here, and in this short video, I'll be revealing the huge earning potential for marketing this high-demand product. The compensation you'll receive for referring customers is very substantial. For example, a Power Lead System customer only pays $30 per month and has 100% access to every amazing tool that we offer. As a Power Lead System affiliate, for every customer you refer, you're paid a hefty $20 commission over and over again, month after month, for as long as they remain a customer. And as an affiliate, you'll keep all of your referrals and never lose a commission, which means that every customer you refer goes directly frontline to you, which we call your pay line, each paying you a $20 monthly residual commission. Refer just 3 customers, and not only is your monthly expense completely covered, you're actually now earning a net profit each and every month. Now here's where it gets even more exciting. For every one of your customers who decides to step up and cash in on this lucrative pay plan for themselves, you're going to make a staggering 50% match on each and every one of their referrals. Did you get that? So let me help you visualize just how powerful this really is. Suppose you sponsor me, and I was one of your customers who decided to step up and start marketing to make my own referrals. And let's say I grew my pay line to 50 people. At $20 per month per person, I'd be making $1,000 per month. But since you sponsored me, you'll make a 50% matching bonus. In other words, that's $500 in monthly residual income that you'd be making from my entire pay line. But it's not just my pay line. You'll make this same incredible 50% match on the entire pay line of every referral that you ever make. And that's powerful. Now, don't worry. If you don't quite understand how all this works, our powerful software does. It doesn't make any mistakes. In fact, it'll track all of your commissions for you with 100% accuracy. The last thing, but certainly not the least, is commissions are paid instantly every Wednesday all over the world. You can use your computer or you can use a smartphone to log in and transfer the money right to your bank account or directly right onto a Visa pay card. Everything starts today, right now, by you getting started with a free trial. So all you have to do is simply just get started. Just click the button below that says Start My Free Trial and start profiting with the world's most powerful marketing platform, the Power Lead System. Make that decision right now to get started today. Click on that button that says Start My Free Trial right now.
Wow. This is the best compensation plan I've ever seen. So listen, if you don't know what residual income is residual income is a monthly income you make for the work you did in the past, okay? And it comes to you every month, like clockwork. Now, the next thing you need to do is start your free trial, because you get a 7-day free trial. Everyone does. You get to see what the system is like. You get to see the gold system. After the 7-day, before the 7-day free trial is up, go ahead and become a customer and affiliate for $53.97. Okay, become a customer. I can't wait to see you on the inside. We are inside the Facebook group. Go ahead, start your free trial, and I'll see you on the inside, and I'll see you on the next video. Bye-bye now.